in accordance with Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations.
What's in my bag? Pillow. May kasama pa. Like it. Ay! Smells like Philippines. Uwi talaga kami ng Pinas. Before this, we went to get sushi, and I got this drink. I'm really confused because this is supposed to be like an orange juice, but it tastes like sunken. Japan, here we go! Book online so you get your spot. I'm so tired. 15-hour flight. Good morning from Japan. So last night we didn't get to vlog anymore because we got to our hotel at like 2 a.m. We got lost in the airport because we booked the Didi and we spent like what, like 20 minutes finding the spot. So now we got ready. We'll do fit checks later. We're gonna go 7-Eleven and see what we can find to eat. Oh, it's Valentine's Day today.
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's.
Okay. Happy Valentine's.
What the dog doing?
Where are we?
Yeah.
On our way
Another
to
trip.
Shibuya. Hey, starters. We are now in Shibuya.
So we're actually going here tomorrow.
We're basically just practice going here. That's it.
So what I did, I created an itinerary, but then I realized I didn't put anything for today, 14th.
But she thought that we'll be arriving on the 14th and it's gonna take a whole day. So she planned for the 15th.
For the next day, I thought that we were gonna land here. I didn't check the flight properly, but I decided to like kind of cut it. So today we're gonna go hachiko and crossing, and then we'll be back here again tomorrow.
To the proper attractions.
Yes. Today's a test
our
run.
book ticket. We can't really record, but for Yana.
Having this pop mart stuff is a flex. That's me, crybaby.
And now we're
We're in line to see hachiko.
Guess where we are?
Hi, sorry.
Ito naman, napahula ko nga, sinabi mo naman. This is the OG diet. OG. So we found a mini photo booth. You couldn't even fit. Hey guys, photo booth was the last stop and then we decided to go back to our hotel because we're gonna have some dinner.
This street is so nice, it's so peaceful where we're staying.
Yeah, we might have some ramen tonight. We just got back and we got mini wallet where we can put our cash from. Beans, she got plain brown and I got like, it's brown as well, but with pattern. And later, we're gonna unbox Kingu. We got two. And then we have photo booths. As you may know, we love taking photos.
Valentine's one.
Valentine's one and in Japan.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. We are going to find ramen place. We'll see you when we see you. We just got home.
Hello.
We will unbox now. For days you can get like baby Molly and a Pingu costume, and then Pingu itself. We want to get one of the Pingus, and then we're gonna put them in our travel bags.
Don't look at the card. I'll wait for you.
3, 2, 1. Get the Pingu!
I have this one already. Oh, I already got it.
Lucky! I have this. This is yours.
Yeah. Look at me. Thank you.
She got Pingu.
Take the card as well.
Sorry.
That's you. I got this one from her already. The one that's on my bag in Sydney. She gave it to me. She surprised me with it.
Look, it's so cute.
Okay, we got pink.
For our future MiyakeTakoyaki shop, it's like the same. It's a penguin in a takoyaki suit. Takoyaki headdress. That's so cute.
Why is it a penguin?
It's a penguin because she loves penguin.
Anyways,
Thank you for watching our first day, day 1 in Tokyo, Japan.
Bye bye.
Bye.